Hey, welcome back to MindSpark, the place where curiosity comes alive. Let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered what would happen if things suddenly changed instantly? Stick with me, because the answer is way more shocking than you think.
Somewhere in the universe, there are places where your body would be torn into atoms before your brain could feel fear. Places where time slows down, stretches, and then simply stops existing. And places so empty that even reality struggles to stay real. You will never see these places, but knowing they exist should make you look at your life very differently. Why this matters to your daily life. Every day, your mind is busy with small things. Deadlines, bills, messages, stress, plans for next week. But the universe doesn't know you exist, and it doesn't protect anything by default. The fact that you wake up on a stable planet with air, gravity, and time moving normally is not normal at all. It's rare, almost impossible. The scariest places in the universe expose one truth. Life is not the default state of reality. And once you understand that, even an ordinary day feels different. Let's begin with a place where matter itself gives up. When a massive star dies, it doesn't always become a black hole. Sometimes it collapses into something even stranger, a neutron star. This object contains more mass than the sun, compressed into a sphere about the size of a city. The gravity is so extreme that atoms collapse. Electrons are forced into protons. Matter becomes a solid ocean of neutrons. If you stood near a neutron star, two terrifying things would happen. First, gravity would stretch your body vertically. Your feet would feel a much stronger pull than your head. This process is called spaghettification, and it happens fast. Second, the magnetic field would rip electrons out of your atoms, turning your body into glowing plasma. Some neutron stars spin hundreds of times per second. As they spin, they fire radiation beams into space like cosmic lighthouses. If one of those beams crossed Earth, it could destroy our atmosphere. Why should this matter to you? Because neutron stars show how thin the line is between stability and destruction. Your body only works because forces are balanced just right. Gravity, electromagnetism, nuclear forces. Change the balance slightly, and matter itself becomes impossible. But gravity can do worse than crush matter. It can trap the future itself. What happens when gravity becomes so strong that even time cannot escape? Black holes are not cosmic vacuum cleaners. They don't hunt stars. They sit silently in space. And that's what makes them terrifying. A black hole forms when gravity overwhelms everything else. Not even light can move fast enough to escape. The boundary is called the event horizon. Once you cross it, there is no path back, no matter how powerful your engine is, no matter how advanced your technology becomes. Inside a black hole, something deeply unsettling happens. Time and space switch roles. Moving forward in time becomes mandatory, like falling down a cliff you can never stop falling from. From the outside, an observer would see you slow down, freeze, and fade away. From your perspective, time feels normal, until the laws of physics completely collapse. At the center, there may be a singularity, a point where density becomes infinite and equations stop working. This is not just destruction. It's a breakdown of meaning. Why does this matter to your life? Because black holes are reminders that some limits are absolute. Not everything can be fixed. Not every mistake can be undone. Not every moment can be recovered. Time moves forward. And some horizons once crossed are permanent. But at least black holes are full of energy and drama. What if there were places with almost nothing at all? What is scarier than destruction? Slow disappearance. Most people imagine space as full of stars and galaxies. In reality, most of the universe is almost empty. Cosmic voids are vast regions between galaxy clusters. They can be hundreds of millions of light years wide. Inside them, there are almost no stars, almost no matter, almost no interactions. If you could exist inside a deep cosmic void, something strange would happen. The universe would expand faster around you. Every distant object would move away. Light would weaken. Signals would stretch and fade. Eventually, galaxies would slip beyond your observable horizon, not because they disappeared, but because space itself grew too large. You wouldn't see destruction. You'd experience eternal isolation. Why is this so disturbing? Because humans are social creatures. Isolation is not just uncomfortable, it breaks minds. Cosmic voids show us a future where connection itself becomes impossible. No conversations, no history, no shared reality, just endless distance. But there is a place even colder than isolation. A future where the universe stops doing anything at all. What if the universe is slowly running out of energy? This is not a place you can travel to. It is where everything is going. According to physics, the universe is expanding. And as it expands, energy spreads out. Stars burn fuel. Black holes evaporate. Motion slows. Eventually, the universe reaches maximum entropy. This is called heat death. No stars will shine. No planets will orbit. No reactions will occur. Temperature everywhere becomes almost the same. Time still passes, but nothing changes. No events. No stories. No observers. This is the quietest ending imaginable. Why does this matter to your daily life? Because it explains why meaning exists now. Meaning comes from contrast, from change, from limited time. Your life feels urgent because it is. The universe will not remember you. That doesn't make you unimportant. It makes your moment rare. Here's the uncomfortable truth. The universe is hostile to life. Most places destroy matter. Most timescales erase structure. Most futures are cold and empty, and yet life exists. Consciousness exists. You exist. Not because the universe is kind, but because order briefly emerged from chaos. You are not small because the universe is big. You are significant because you exist at all. The scariest places in the universe don't make life pointless. They make it fragile. And fragility gives value. So here's the question I'll leave you with. If the universe is designed for destruction, why did awareness appear inside it? And is consciousness just a temporary accident or something the universe hasn't finished explaining yet? If you want to explore that idea, there's another MindSpark video waiting for you. Because the deeper we look into the universe, the more mysterious we become.
If this video made you think even for a second, hit the like button. It really helps the channel. Subscribe to MindSpark for more mind-blowing ideas, and tell me in the comments what topic we should explore next. Until next time, keep your mind curious.